Are the bears chipping away at NVIDIA? Stay tuned. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. The speaker's opinions should not be considered as advice from a licensed professional. Viewers should not use this content as a specific inducement to make investments or follow strategies, but rather as an expression of opinion. Follow the rest of the disclaimer, but please do your own research. What up, Tycoons? Welcome to Tycoon Network, where we specialize in trading stock options and providing education on stock market investing to help others achieve financial success. Now we have NVIDIA right here. We have the weekly chart, as you can see right here. Currently, last week, we're looking a lot similar on the stochastics and on the RSI to the week of August 7th of last year, 2023. Okay, so that's where we had that 32-week consolidation. As you can see, we had like a 32-week consolidation, which is around 8 months, consolidated around that area. And you know, the longer the consolidation, the bigger the move, whether it be up or down, hence why we had this big move up. Now, this might look similar to what you might call a bump and run. Okay, so a lot of people might look at this and say this looks like a bump and run, which would be a bearish formation. Let me get that right real quick. Which looks a lot like a bump and run right here, which means it's a consolidation, then it goes up and then it breaks and then comes down to that horizontal line. I don't think we have a bump and run right here though. We've seen the same type of action previous in 2023. So in my opinion, we have the levels right here. We have 830. So below 830, I would be bearish, but not for long, maybe to around 730 or something like that, 750. But 830 is current support. So let's scale down to the daily to show you that. All right, so we have daily support at 830, and then above 901, we can reach 973, which is the bullish breakout. And not only that, it is the breakout to all-time highs. Okay, so above 901, in my opinion, which is a hard resistance, has been doing that for like, you know, a couple months now. And above 901, I think we go to 973. We haven't really tested 973 much, so I think we hit 973 and exceed all-time highs, which our first target would be $1,044. $86. Okay, so in a nutshell, I think we're consolidating sideways in between 973 and 830. So below 830, I'll be bearish, or you would grab puts. Above 830, you can hold support, and then above 901, I would grab, you know, calls to maybe 973. If you wanted to wait until 973 breaks, that's fine. But you know, NVIDIA, the premium is going to pump. No matter which way it goes, because it is a popular stock. So in my opinion, we're still bullish on the daily. That's what I'm showing. I'm showing consolidation, and we came back to barely touch the 50 SMA. Just catch a breather, in my opinion, because it ran so hard. So I think above 901 or 902, if you want to round it off, we can reach 973, and above 973 we can reach 1044. We'll see though, because we have a lot going on with Iran and, you know, Israel, so we'll see how this goes. But those are my levels. Make sure you join our free newsletter, the Tycoon Blueprint. Invest smarter, grow faster. All you have to do is click the link below and provide your email to subscribe. Don't forget to join our exclusive trading and investing community, where we provide a blend of technical analysis and cutting-edge AI technology, like AI-powered stock predictive flow channels. We have the crypto alerts for breakouts. We have the stock option callouts by AI. They even give you the strike price and the expiration, along with several other features. We also have the trade suggestions from ourselves, the stock suggestions, leap suggestions, callouts from ourselves, economic data updates, and much more. Make sure you click the link below to join. Here's some of the profits from our trading group. We have from 20% all the way up to 4,000%. Now that's an anomaly, but we also have a couple 100% right here, 500, 160 right here. We also have 50%. So we look forward to seeing you in our trading group so you can get some profit as well. Also, whether you're an expert trader in need of a little help, or if you're a novice and you've never traded before, you want to get our accelerated trading course just for $19.97. We have 3 sections in there: foundation, framework, and finishes. Also having a bonus section with a lot of material that can help you with the investment journey, and it comes with a few ebooks. So this keeps it really simple, hones in on how you can make money now and in the future in the market. So this is really essential if you want to learn and grow. So accelerated trading course, only $19.97. You want to grab that. Lastly, if you or someone you know is interested in futures trading, click that link below for Apex Trader Funding and the promo code. Input that promo code for 80% off. Now, if you don't have a ton of money, you can get access to between $25,000 and $300,000 per account. All you have to do is pay a small monthly fee, but with the promo code, you'll get 80% off. If you get 20 accounts for $300,000, that's $6 million in trader funding. And all you have to do is pay $2,000 a month. So you get access to $25,000 for your first withdrawal. And after that, you'll get 90% of the profits that you make. So once again, click that link below, put the promo code in, start trading now.